Little Legends Saga!
Welcome to the Seasonal Vegetables video. Let's explore the fresh and fun vegetables of spring.
Look! This is a carrot. It grows in spring gardens.
Look! These are peas. They pop out of their pod and grow in spring gardens. Look! This is spinach. Its leaves grow in spring gardens and flutter in the breeze.
Look! This is a radish. Watch it being pulled up from the soil in the spring garden.
Look! This is lettuce. Its leaves wiggle gently in the spring garden.
Welcome to the Seasonal Vegetables video. Let's see which vegetables grow best in summer.
Look! This is a tomato. It loves to grow in the warm summer sunshine.
Look! This is a cucumber. It grows on vines in warm summer gardens.
Look! These are bell peppers. They grow in bright summer sunshine.
Look! This is a zucchini. It grows on sunny summer vines.
Look! This is corn. It grows tall in sunny summer fields. Look! These are autumn vegetables. It's harvest time in the garden.
Look! This is a pumpkin. It's harvest time in the autumn garden. Look! This is cabbage. It grows in the autumn garden.
Look! This is cauliflower. It grows in the autumn garden.
Look! This is a sweet potato. It grows in the autumn garden.
Look! This is a long sweet potato. It grows in the autumn garden.
Look! This is an eggplant. It grows in the autumn garden.
Welcome to winter vegetables. Look at these colorful veggies growing in cozy winter gardens and markets.
Look! This is broccoli. It grows in cozy winter gardens and greenhouses.
Look! This is a carrot. It grows in cozy winter gardens and greenhouses.
Look! This is spinach. It grows fresh and green in cozy winter gardens and greenhouses.
Look! This is a beetroot. It grows fresh and red in cozy winter gardens.
Look! This is a radish. It grows fresh and red in cozy winter gardens.
Look at all these vegetables growing in our magical farm. Carrots, peas, spinach. Wow! Look at all these vegetables! See you next time in our magical farm! Look at all these colorful vegetables! Explore more fun adventures with Little Legends Saga!